Oh, hey there, it's me, CurvyGurlFlo, back with my second video. That would be for video number 2 of the year of my life. I have an event this evening that I'm going to, so I needed something a little more glam, a little bit heavier. My favorite part. Let's get started. I'm going to use a primer. Primers are always good if you want your makeup to like be long lasting. I like this. I already know I did a very bad job of showing all my products in my first video, so I'm going to do my best to show them in this one. I like this. Not this shit again. It's the Poreless Face Primer. Pretty sure it's like $1, $2, $4. I'll look it up. I don't know. So I just like put a little bit, rub it in my hands to get it all warmed up. It just allows for some more consistency. We're gonna go in with the same one I used before, that white. That's better, but more is always better. Okay. I'm going to use the other side, what is that part called? The under eye concealer. Oh, awake. I'm awake. Now I'm going to go in with regular, oh no. I'm going to start with a lighter shade. This one is, oh, another Maybelline. We've got the Maybelline Super Stay. I don't even know what color it is. It's light. Lighter than my regular one. Sticker. Oh, right here. And now I'll go all over with my one from last time. My 120 Classic Ivory. Like an angel of the morning. Now we're going to set this with a powder. This one is from Mary Kay. I have never gotten anything from there, so I'm guessing that somebody gave this to me. My mom. I'm going to take a little all over. Just kind of mattifies everything. I don't need to be shining everywhere. Sometimes it's nice to have that like dewy glow, but for me, I just look sweaty. So I prefer to be matte. I take my, this is not the brush. I'm going to take my bronzer brush with my Tranquil Sephora color again. It's my fave. This isn't a channel where you're going to see like new products a lot. I just use the same old shit over and over and over again. This is just going to be the same as the last video. It's not. Keep watching. This is an event after all. Go darker. We went a little heavier with the contour. Since we're going out, I'm going to use this. It is probably, it's probably like 16 years old. Maybe that's extreme. I've had it since I was 13. So like 15 years old. Glam Bronze. Alluring Shimmer. It's just like shimmer powder. What can go bad? I don't know what kind of eye I'm gonna do. I mean, obviously, it's gonna be dramatic, but I'm gonna do a little blush. This is my best product. This is a pro tip. This little palette I got at the dollar store, and it's actually great. It's just blush. It's probably made of poison. Oh, I guess that's why people spend real money on things. Having such a great time. I'm gonna go over that with, I have another 13-year-old Shimmer CoverGirl Naturally Luminous Blush. I just love this. It's just like sparkles. Sparkles like a frickin' mermaid. Like, oof. That's probably the thing that expires. Just to give it a little extra. Disney Princess Shine. Oh, there you go. Do those look like cheeks or what? So I have these old eyeshadows. Me and my dirty palettes. Ugh. I'm gonna just use this as like a little powder highlighter. Let's see what it does. I'm using like a little goldy shimmer, like white. Yeah. You stick some under your brows. We finished the face. Now we're gonna go in with the eyes. I'm gonna do a look that really plays up the color of my eyes. Let's call it a olive green smoky eye tutorial. Yeah. I'm gonna start with my primer. I want to have like a dark base on my eyelids so that the color really pops. So I'm gonna mix my foundation, just a dab, with black eyeshadow. You might be thinking, the fuck are you talking about? So I'm just like gonna take some black eyeshadow, mix it in, and then I'm gonna use that as a base. You're like, you just spent forever brightening your eyes. Well, sometimes you have to play up the bags under your eyes for like that dark, dramatic, sexy look. I don't have bags under my eyes. I'm just sultry. I'm gonna start with the black, a little black eyeshadow. Good shape. Can I do it again? Most likely not. Now, so that it's not so harsh, I'm gonna blend that out with some AVON. Ooh, that's old. Just a light brown and kind of go over everything. Feels like it needs a little more of the black though. Just a little. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Khaki colorful shadow and liner. So I use this for my waterline. It really, like, look at this. It's like pretty close. I mean, look at that. Poppin'. We're poppin'. I'm gonna use the same color all over my lids. Not as dramatic as I thought it was gonna be. Let's go in with a little something else. Dark brown. I'm just gonna go back over this. Look at the color compared to my eyes. Pretty good. Let's line. I'm going to use the clay paint liner, like Tartist. My Tartist? Oh, that's the first time I think I've said it right. That's cute. If you were wondering what that was in my last video, you just sleeps up in the rafters and jumps down. Now I need some lashes. Real ones and then fake ones. Just like last time. The Maybelline. Apparently I'm a spokesperson for Maybelline. You're welcome. It's the Lash Sensational Curvitude. I like it because the brush, no, Curvitude, I guess. Do the top side first. Now I'll go underneath. Pro tip, sometimes, I'm not going to do it today, but sometimes I heat up my, take my blow dryer to my metal eyelash curler, heat it up. It gets really hot, so be very careful if you decide to do this. I always test it on my hand Ooh, ow. Too hot. Once it's comfortable on your hand, but still hot. And curl and curl. You know, if you like curl your hair, you can't just be like, curled. You gotta add heat. Pro tip. Our real lashes are done. We can go in with the fake ones. Just before we do that, I just want to be a little bit more extra. And God, I'm pretty sure I got this at Claire's. But it's powder, shimmer, silver sparkles. So I'm gonna tap it off. You don't want all these sparkles. Ooh, spot and a spot. Tap it out. Oh. Sorry. Oh, shit, that looks good. Yes. Damn. Got my same piece of garbage. I have this pair of lashes. They were probably old lashes. I didn't wear them anymore. So I cut them in half and I will apply these just to the outer corners. Swoop action to like enhance the cat eye. Okay. You can see they're not like crazy. But they just give me, oh God, something extra. We all know how much I like to be extra. Let's go, brows. I have two colors that I'm going to use today. I'm going to start with the darker color first. I've got the Tarte Brown. Great description. Clay waterproof. What? It's a waterproof liner. Oh, it's supposed to be a liner. Well, I'll use it for my brows. Brown is such a boring, I'm going to call this, I'm going to call it mudslide. Because it just slides like mud right onto my brows. I'm going to brush them down first so I can like get a good shape going. I look like a villain. I'm okay with that. Get you a girl that can do both, okay? I'm just going to smooth it out with my sweaty hands. I'm not gross. I have hyperhidrosis, so always hydrated, yo. I'm gonna go in with an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. Those of you who are like, fierce, frugal, and fabulous, where did you get all these name brand products? My friend had them, and she didn't use them, and she gave them to me. I'm gonna go in with this soft brown. I guess this look is almost over. We do need a lip color. I can't just go with another nude lip. I'm gonna go with a bold red. Oh yes, I can introduce my fave. This is my favorite lip color. More than the lime crime. Rimmel London Provocalip 16-hour kiss proof lip stain. I don't know. I'm actually going to line the lips first because I mean red is like a lot. So I'm just gonna open it up. Now I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to overline with red because red is intense. Go a little bit more with the bottom, not the top though. And you get a little clowny looking. This just acts as a guide. I'll finish. It just acts as a boundary so that you don't go past that. Yes! So that's it. We created our look. Verdict is 2 glams out of 3. Let's give it a full 3. 3 glams out of 3. So there you have it. We're done. How easy was that? Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at CurvyGurlFlo. I also have a blog, but I barely write on it, so thanks for getting ready with me. I'll see you next time.